Welcome back, office executives. In this particular video, we will be discussing over phone number validation in MS Excel. So we have in earlier videos I have already shown that the phone number should be 10 digit. That's how to just achieve that task. We'll be going to the data section, and from there data validation, and from any value we will be selecting custom, and we will be using the formula equal to len, and then braces open, len of this particular cell, it should always be equal to 10. Fine. And the error alert is warning, phone number must be 10 digit. But the problem with this particular problem, what the problem we are facing, let me copy the formula to the cell all the way across to the down. While pressing down control key, let me drag all the way across to the down. Now the problem is, if we just give 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and then 0, 10 digit, it would accept. But if we give 11 digit, it won't accept, while if we give 9 digit, it won't accept. So 9, after that 0. But the problem is that we can give 10 character as well, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and it would accept. Now we all know that phone number must be a numeric one, it can be a character. So what validation can I apply to the existing formula so that the phone number is also being taken into account, and it would be in numeric number, but it won't change from numeric to it won't, I mean the character won't be accepted. How to do so? So here in this column, let me delete these two data and let me remodify the formula. In the phone number validation section, we will be going to the data validation and settings with custom. So we will be using an AND operator, and it will be checking this len d2 equal to 10. Apart from that, it will also check is number this particular cell, braces close and braces close. So warning, phone number must be 10 digit. Phone number must be 10 digit and have to be numeric. Fine. So after applying this particular validation, let me just press the control key and drag all the way across to the down. Yeah, down. Fine. So now let's try with character 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Let me hit enter. It is not accepting. While if we give 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 0, it would be accepting. But if we give 11 characters, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 1, it would accept. So that's how I achieved this particular task, this particular goal. So we did two things, that this range of cell would be accepting numeric value, and apart from numeric value, the numeric value should be of 10, the length should be 10. So let me again show you the formula, what I used the formula, which formula I have just applied over this range of cell. So it's and two of the condition are being checked in here, equal to and length d2 equal to 10. So the length of this particular cell must be 10, and also it has to be is numeric d2. So that's all for this particular video session. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.